Okay, so this is the unboxing of the new Sony Alpha 330. I just bought it today. As you can see here, Sony Alpha 30. If you can excuse the quality of the video, I'm using my cell phone. And right there is my old, well, not really old, but previous Alpha 300. Now, might ask why it's all I have two kit lens cameras because I'm repackaging this and getting it traded in. And so, as you can see, I haven't opened it at all. Well, except for that. There you go. Okay, warranty. Specials online. Lenses. Accessories. And more paperwork, warranties. Quick start guide. And 330 and 380. There's computer software. And now to the guts of it all. So, start here. It's bubble wrapped, so that's good. Not to worry about any damages. These two hands. And there's the new baby. Coming out of the womb. And you can see 330 is significantly smaller. I'll put it side by side with the 300. So 330 on the left, 300 on the right. It's profile. And behind. And profile from the left. So it is smaller and it's also quite light too. So if I could find the specs. Should have read the specs just before, actually. Fortunately, I don't have the specs on 30 according to the weight. But from what I could tell you and what I already know, it is really, really light. It feels almost like probably like one of the Mega Zoom and shoots. For those who own a 350, you know how much 300 probably know how heavy your 300 is. But yeah, there it is. It also comes with the 30 comes with 1855 lens instead of the 1870 with the 300. So that's a bit of a downfall. But I have extra lenses that come of my own. I don't know what else to go from here. What else is in the box? Oh, there's the lens. This 1855. We have the battery charger. Actually, surprisingly, plugs into the wall, so that's a pretty good, quite convenient space, so you don't have to mess with wires. Eyepiece cover. Shoulder strap, neck strap. And, oh, there's the battery, actually. Now, it is a different battery compared to everything else, the current Alpha lineup. So there it is. Active Force. And box is empty. So there's all my junk. Collected all my Alpha boxes everywhere. All purchased from Henry's. And hope to make some more videos at the 330 after I charge the battery. So thank you.